Your comfort zone is a place where you keep yourself in a self-illusion and nothing can grow there. But your potentiality can grow only when you can think and grow out of that zone. The ability to live sensual lifestyle signals that an individual has become adept at overcoming the constraints of daily life and has entered into a privileged world where the key to entry is no longer the functional, but the aesthetic, the decadent, the passionate. Every time you waste money on non-essentials, you are essentially contributing to the economic disparities of the world. I love luxury. And luxury lies not in richness and ornateness, but in the absence of vulgarity. Vulgarity is the ugliest word in our language. I stay in the game to fight it. Most of the luxuries and many of the so-called comforts of life are not only not indispensable, but positive hindrances to the elevation of mankind. Living in the lap of luxury isn't bad, except that you never know when luxury is going to stand up. Sometimes choice is a luxury that fate does not afford us. The most rewarding thing is having a job that you love. It's not a luxury that everyone in this world enjoys. The ultimate of being successful is the luxury of giving yourself the time to do what you want to do.